would highly recommend WasteLogix.
It does exactly what we want it to do.
Ultimately invaluable to us.
We would give out 5 stars.
So we are Dunmo Group. Primary business role is a construction recycling business and have diversified into areas, some alternative areas like metal recycling. We now process a large volume of liquid waste. So it's quite a diverse business that's grown intensely over the last 5 years.
Our business is the MSS Group, and we're actually a facilities management company, and the arm that we work for is the waste division.
We run a total waste management and recycling company. We have a very strong workforce of 110 staff, 40 of which are drivers, various other staff and 35 office staff.
We are a national waste brokerage business. We deal with shopping centres, manufacturing and logistic type companies.
So our challenges that are unique to our area we operate in, they're pretty common across the UK, logistics being, I would say, the number one factor.
It's been very, very difficult to keep up with the industry. Certainly since COVID, we seem to be moving along at a hell of a pace.
I think we've always struggled with the pure volume of sort of paperwork, waste transfer notes, and the level of reporting and detail reporting that we've had to supply to our clients. But since having WasteLogix, it's made it so much easier for us.
Another key challenge that we face is dealing with the volumes of bookings coming from clients and customers.
So the complexity of our business is managing multiple waste streams from multiple site customers. So having a system in which we can monitor all the collections, provide accurate weights and data, etc., is imperative to our business.
I think it's very important that we track drivers and we follow business intelligence now.
And ultimately, when you're dealing with 300 to 400 jobs a day, it's really critical that a driver is sent to the correct address. Some sort of small error, you can quickly disappoint a large number of customers.
So I think with WasteLogix, one of the main things for us was the customer dashboard, because it encompassed all of the functions we'd need to deliver both paperwork, bookings and an internal management system for ourselves as a company.
We've noticed over the last 20 years as we've grown with more staff using the system. So we sort of looked around for a better system, something more robust. And then of course we bumped into WasteLogix, which helped us tremendously.
And really WasteLogix we felt was probably the system best suited towards a brokerage type business.
Before we moved to WasteLogix, the primary difference between what we were doing and what we're doing now is that everything was paper-based. 200, 300, 400 pieces of paperwork a day. So from transfer notes through to delivery notes through to invoicing. The biggest reason for us moving from the previous system to WasteLogix was the paperless attraction, with the drivers having PDA, with the drivers being able to add their waste content reports.
I would definitely say the customer dashboard has had the biggest impact on our business, because that is the front-facing side of WasteLogix. Although it has been an overall management tool for us in our daily operations, everything we're doing is live for our clients to see.
WasteLogix has helped to bring everything together, which has made it more in-house with just one system which all users can sort of relate to.
It's a cloud-based bit of software. It was made very easy with the app that we use from WasteLogix. The easiest part of bringing the software into the company was actually getting the drivers to use the PDAs, ironically.
There's great reports on the system, business intelligence on the system, which is certainly benefited things. The CRM system is a great addition, really beneficial to our sales team. The reports are limitless. And from my desk, I can see if somebody's bought scrap in, not only I can see what we've paid out for it, the quality of it, there's the photograph on there as well. So to run a scrapyard from your desk is quite amazing.
So the recycling reports have been massively useful to us. Previously we were using quite rigid spreadsheets which required heavy data entry, as well as that element of human error as well. Whereas with WasteLogix and the recycling reports, everything is sort of automatically generated.
We're delighted with WasteLogix, and I'm sure other people will be as well.
It's a very well put together, robust piece of software.
I would say if you have plans to grow your business and you want a system you can grow into rather than grow out of, I would highly recommend WasteLogix.
I would absolutely recommend WasteLogix to anybody who's considering implementing a waste management software.
I think it does generate a bit of new enthusiasm in the business to say, right, what else can we get on with? What can I use my time that I didn't have before now with something I'm going to move towards?